Hello everyone, my name is kimchriz. So I'm here today to tutor you on how to recite your alphabet using signs. And for those of you who find it difficult to use your signs to recite your alphabet, or you do not know how to recite your alphabet using signs, please stay tuned and do not go anywhere. Today we are going to be learning alphabets. The very first signs are learned. So that is what I'll be teaching you today on this video. So let's go. So we'll start with letter A. Now, letter A, you make a fist with your thumbs up this way. This represents letter A. Letter B, this way. Your four fingers together, mind you, no spacing, together with your thumb in your palm this way. Facing this way, this represents letter B. This, letter C. Now, your four fingers curved this way and your thumb burns inward. This represents letter C. Then letter D. Your index finger facing upwards and the remaining four fingers burnt and touching the index finger this way represents letter D. While letter E, all your four fingers resting on your thumb this way, this represents letter E. While letter F is being signed this way, your three fingers this backwards are facing upwards and your index finger and your thumb are resting on each other. This represents letter F. Well, for letter G, your index finger and your thumb relaxing together, meeting together this way represent, and your remaining three fingers are bent inward to your palm. This represents letter G and it's being placed this way. While letter H, now we have letter G this way. We just add in our middle finger to our index finger and our thumb crossed in between. This represents letter H. Well, letter I, our pinky facing upwards and the ring finger, the middle finger, the thumb, the index finger and the thumb are bent this way and the thumb relaxes on these three fingers. This represents letter I. Well, we go for letter G. Now this I will just be twisted downwards, back upwards. This represents letter G. While K, our middle finger and our index finger with our thumb crossed in between. This represents letter K. Well, letter L, our thumb and our index finger facing upwards and our thumb lying down horizontally like this. This represents letter L. Well, we go for letter M. Letter M, our index finger, our middle finger and our ring finger bends against our thumb this way, while our thumb rests on the pinky. This represents letter M. Sorry. But we're going for letter O. N rather, sorry. So this index finger and our middle finger resting on our thumb this way represents letter N. Letter O. All through the fingers resting on each other this way represents letter O. Letter P. Our middle finger and our thumb with our index finger pointing down this way. Middle finger pointing downwards with our thumb across it and our index finger pointing out straight. This represents letter P. Letter Q. Our index finger and our thumb facing downwards. This represents letter Q. While letter R, our middle finger and our index finger crossing each other this way facing upwards represents letter R. Letter S, we make a fist this way. This way. The four fingers bent touching our palm, while the index, the thumb resting on these fingers this way. This represents letter S. While letter T, our index finger and our thumb crossing each other this way. This represents letter T. Letter U, our index finger and our middle finger going upwards with our thumb bent inward this way. This represents letter U. Letter V, just open up our index finger and our middle finger. Instead of being together, we separate it. This represents letter V. While letter W, you just bring back the ring finger up this way. This represents letter W. Letter X, this index finger bends curvy this way. This represents letter X. letter Y, our thumb and our pinky with the three middle fingers bent this way. This represents letter Y. And then your index finger going with the shape of letter Z. This represents letter C.
Let's read our alphabet from A to Z using dot science language. Let's go.
So this is A, this is B, this is C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So thank you very much for watching with me. If you've gotten to this point, please like, share, and follow. And also hit the subscribe button to get notification when the next video drops. Thank you. See you there.